Welcome back to CAD Legend. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can you add this grass inside your lawn, because it really looks very beautiful whenever you're going to make the drawing. So for that, for the beautification purposes, also the architect, what actually they do, they just add multiple things to beautify your drawing, to beautify your 3D model. Okay, but it's not 2D, so how can you show people your exist the grass, okay, and the lawn? So let me add this. Okay, remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's free of cost. Let's start the video. Let me just erase it for now. Okay, so now let me just enter the so now let me just enter BH. I will add the pick point. I'll select this region for now, press escape key, just look and preview, and I will say okay. Now let me just color this portion, select the region, come here, and just you have to select the color for it, which is this one, the grass color for now. So hopefully you understand how can you do the hatching inside your 2D drawings. So remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please become a part of our community and just subscribe to our channel so that you receive the new updates regarding to the mechanical softwares, because it's free of cost. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.